we're going to unbox my Videomic Me for my iPhone, since I'm using iPhone on my videos or enhance my videos. So this one is dedicated for you guys, because in spite that I did not upload more video, there are followers that keep on watching on my video. So this is for you guys. This Videomic Me cost like 239 dirhams. I bought this one in Virgin, so I would like to unbox this. Actually, I'm very excited to open this one, but I would like to share with you the unboxing. So let's begin. Don't wanna ruin the box.
A few moments later. 2 hours later. 1 eternity later.
So open it now. I'm so excited for this, but keep this way. I bought this 2 days ago, but I'm so busy and I couldn't open it. So this is how it look like. You see the feather inside. They called it the cat. So, this is the box. So we're just going to open it. So this is the one thing I like here, because this is going to minimize the sounds like the wind outside. So I will make a video out later, and actually you can hear the sounds of the air condition right now, but when I put this, you will see there is no a lot of things. Just you see this, you just plug here on your any device that's same like this. So I'm using my Samsung tablet, so it will be like this. So it's easy, you can carry anywhere, and it's very lightweight, and not like the other one that you have to be carry and you will be tired before you reach your place. So this is good for outdoor actually. So you can remove this one if you were just in a place that there is no sounds like wind, like something that you don't want to include on your video. So this is how it look like. So aside from that, there is one like this of this, but let me try how it works. So maybe I should put like this way too. Okay, we should put this way, this one, so you will going to lock. So when it lock, it will not be shaken. So after that, you will just going to put this cat. Actually, they call this what? There is specific the right one, furry wind shield included. So this is what you call furry wind, but some people they call this cat something like that. Please write down below. So it's easy, you will just put like this, and then you have it. The AC is on, the air condition. So let's see. The way I'm using now my glass, because I can't read this actually without my specs. So right now you will hear the AC sound, the air conditioning. So let's see if we put this and we cannot hear the sounds. Furry things from Rod mic, you will see the difference. So on this wrap, this is included. The design for iPhone and iPad, adjustable mounting, head plate, true jack, furry, and right now I have my roommate iPhone, so I just borrow because I'm filming on my iPhone. So if your connector is easy, you will just connect on your, oh no, epic, this is iPhone 7, so definitely will not be like that. So now I'm already input the fairy and the microphone on the other iPhone, so let's see the difference. And here, if you have a headphone, you can still plug in at the back of the microphone. So now I'm going to check this out. So I'm using the other one here. So now I'm already input the fairy and the microphone on the other iPhone. So let's see the difference. So it's very silent now. It's not like before that there is a wind inside the room. So it's very clear. So for me, I'm satisfied. Annoying, but it will give you definitely great sound. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like this video. Until next time.
Please keep your receipt.